Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Wonderful Relationship. Today we're diving into a topic that's been the subject of curiosity for many, reading the signs. If she says this, she's sexually attracted to you. If you've ever found yourself wondering if someone is attracted to you, you're in the right place. Before we delve into the signs, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss our informative content. Let's get started. Segment 1. Flirtatious comments. One of the clear signs that she's sexually attracted to you is when she makes flirtatious comments. These comments may be teasing, playful, or suggestive, indicating her interest. Segment 2. Compliments about your appearance. Compliments about your appearance are a telltale sign. If she admires your looks, your style, or your physical features, it's a clear indicator of attraction. These compliments often go beyond general politeness. Segment 3. Physical descriptions. If she uses physical descriptions to talk about you, it's a strong signal of attraction. She might say things like "you're handsome" or "you're so sexy." Segment 4. Subtle double meanings. Pay attention to subtle double meanings in her words. She may make comments that can be interpreted both innocently and suggestively. It's a way of testing the waters and gauging your reaction. Segment 5. Openness about her fantasies. If she's open about her fantasies or shares intimate desires, it's a strong indicator of her sexual attraction to you. It shows that she feels comfortable discussing these topics with you. Segment 6. Invitations to intimate settings. Invitations to intimate settings, like inviting you over to her place when no one else is around, are clear signs of sexual attraction. It's an opportunity for more private and personal interactions. Segment 7. Expressing desire. When she explicitly expresses her desire for you, there's no room for doubt. Words like "I want you" or "I can't stop thinking about you" are strong indicators. Segment 8. The use of pet names. The use of affectionate pet names can be a clear sign of sexual attraction. It indicates a level of comfort and intimacy. Terms like baby, honey, or sexy are examples. Segment 9. Initiating sexual conversations. When she initiates sexual conversations or topics, it's a direct signal of her interest. She may ask about your preferences or share her own experiences. Segment 10. Expressing jealousy. Jealousy can be a strong indicator of attraction. If she seems jealous when you mention other women, it's a sign that she wants your attention. It shows she sees you as more than just a friend. Segment 11. Sexual teasing. Sexual teasing is another clear sign. Playful or provocative comments, especially when done in a light-hearted manner, can indicate her sexual attraction. It's a way of testing the boundaries. Segment 12. Detailed descriptions of past encounters. If she provides detailed descriptions of past intimate encounters or experiences, it's a strong signal of her attraction to you. It's a way of creating a connection and making her desires known. Segment 13. Innuendos and playful banter. Innuendos and playful banter with a sexual undertone are common when someone is sexually attracted to you. It's a way of spicing up the conversation. Segment 14. Initiating physical contact. Initiating physical contact is a clear sign. If she touches you, holds your hand, or leans in close, it's a physical display of her attraction. Physical contact is a powerful communicator of interest. Segment 15. Sending provocative messages. Sending provocative or suggestive messages, whether through texts or other messaging platforms, is a strong sign of her sexual attraction. These messages leave little to the imagination. Segment 16. Offers of sexual acts. When she offers or hints at sexual acts, it's a straightforward indication of her sexual attraction. This level of openness implies a strong desire. Segment 17. Expressing vulnerability. When she expresses vulnerability or shares her insecurities with you, it's a sign of trust and emotional intimacy. This emotional connection can lead to a stronger physical connection. Segment 18. Desire for privacy. A desire for privacy, like wanting to be alone with you or suggesting a secluded location, signifies her interest in a more intimate setting. It's an opportunity for closer connection. Segment 19. Subtle but intentional touches. Subtle but intentional touches are strong indicators of sexual attraction. She may lightly touch your arm or leg during conversation. These touches convey interest and desire. Segment 20. Making future plans. Making future plans together, especially ones that involve more private or romantic settings, is a clear sign of her attraction. It shows she wants to continue the connection. In conclusion, understanding these signs can help you decipher when a woman is sexually attracted to you. Remember, it's essential to respect her boundaries and communicate openly to ensure both parties are comfortable. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more enlightening content. Thank you for watching. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone, and may your relationships be filled with genuine connections and understanding.